Hey, Math 85 students, welcome back. Good to see you in the virtual world. We will start section 11.1 on geometry this week, and we will basically just be going through a lot of definitions today and then maybe a few problems. A lot of the definitions that we see you will have already heard of before, such as a point, a line, and a plane. And these are some examples of where you see points, lines, and planes in everyday life. All right, so uh, here is an example of a line. A line has no thickness, it extends forever in two directions. And we say that if you're given any 2 points, there is one and only one line that connects those points. So what we say is that any 2 points determine a line. All right, so some words here. See these points, A, B, and C are sort of on this line. You say that the line L contains those points, or similarly, you can say that those points A, B, and C belong to that line L. All right, A, B, and C, you see how they're all on the same line? You call them collinear, meaning that they are all on the same exact line. All right, points A, B, and D. See how D is not on the line that is determined by A and B? You say that they are non-collinear. All right, so these would be 3 points that are not. There's like a line that connects A and B. There's another line that connects A and D, and another line that connects D and B, but no line that connects them all together. All right. Now, the point B, you see its position relative to A and C. See that it's between A and C. And also, the point D, how is that one related to points A and C? Hey, welcome back, Math 206 students. Good to sort of see you online. We will be starting chapter 11, section 1 today on the basic notions of geometry. So this section has a lot of vocab in it, but it's vocab that you're probably already familiar with, such as points, lines, and planes. You've probably already seen these in the past. Let's give some vocab to go along with these things. Say a line, for example, this line L here, has no thickness. It extends forever in the two directions. That's why we put these arrowheads at the end. And given any 2 points, there is one and only one line that connects these points. Sometimes we say that 2 points determine a line. All right, the line L, you see these points A, B, and C, they're on the line L. So we can say L contains those points, or that the points belong to the line L. All right, now A, B, and C are all on the same line, so we call them collinear. Linear, the root word for linear is line, right? And they're all belonging on the same line. And A, B, and D here are non-collinear. That means that there's no line that connects all three of those points together. So you can see like there's a line that connects A and B, there's another line that connects B and D, and there's another line here that connects A and D, but there's no one line that contains all of the points. All right, notice the position of the point B here in between A and C. Say that B is between points A and C on the line. And although it's tempting to say that like these like sort of looks maybe like it's in the middle, but since they're not collinear, you can't use that word between with them. So point D, it's not between points A and C, okay? Even though it's a little tempting to say that, it's not. All right, some more vocab. This looks like a segment to me. It's a subset of a line. It does not extend forever in two directions. It contains the 2 points A and B and all the points in between them. This here is a ray. A ray contains 2 points A and B, all the points in between A and B, and also all points C that are like on this side, such that B is between A and C.